It is not news that the interest rates have gone up. It is not news that cost of living has gone up. However, in recent weeks, we've spoken to many people across the community and across the GTA who are suddenly finding themselves in an uncomfortable position. I'm Aura Ross with the Mulholland Ross Real Estate Group, and today I really wanted to just have a straight talk on what we're seeing and what we're hearing from the people around us. So in recent weeks, we've been getting calls from our clients who in the last few years have taken advantage of these extra low mortgage rates, especially that variable rate, which, was under 1%. And with money being so inexpensive, a lot of people decided to take on a little more debt. I mean, how would interest rates ever go up? So what we're finding is a lot of people who, I know there's a whole sector of first-time buyers in the last 4 years who are dealing with this, but what I really want to talk to are current homeowners who have been in their homes for many years and who have been using their homes as sort of an ATM machine. I mean, each year, each few years, you decide maybe there's a holiday, maybe there's a renovation, maybe you're just coming up a little short, you had a rough year, you refinance, put all that credit card debt into that extra low variable mortgage rate, and the monthly payments were very easy to manage, right? And being that they were fixed monthly payments, even as the interest rate went up, that monthly payment stayed the same. And all that was changing was really the length of time it would take to pay off the mortgage. So typically we put in a mortgage, it's 25 years to pay it off, assuming everything stayed the same. Some of our clients were getting calls that their mortgage, which was down to like 22 years, had now extended to 47 years. Well, how does that happen? I'll show you our little diagram. So when you first set up that mortgage payment, it was based on the rate at the time, and the bank wanted to make sure you were paying some interest and some principal. And then, of course, as that rate goes up, you're paying more interest, less principal. It's going to take you longer to pay off that debt. What's kind of happening now is people are getting calls because their payments aren't even covering their interest. And so what the banks are doing is they're calling people and saying, listen, we'd like you to raise your monthly payment. Now, for some people, that might not be possible. And so what might happen is the banks will take that extra amount and lop it on to the principal. So now you're paying every month, and at the end of your term, you actually owe more than what you started with. A lot of people want to hang on. A lot of people are talking about to wait next spring. They are up to their eyeballs today. Things are getting difficult, but they want to wait till spring because the spring market often shows an increase in home values. I can't make predictions about next spring or next year. What we do know is what the market looks like today. And what we do know is that prices remain at an all-time high, and inventory is at an all-time low, which might actually be the one thing keeping prices where they are today. With so many people talking about going to market next spring, we don't know what that's going to look like. So if you are finding yourself in a bit of a pinch right now and you're not sure what things look like, we just want to invite you to give us a call. If we can offer you solutions, if we can offer you financing help, if the plan is to sell your home, you're not sure when to do it, now or later, we'll go over all of these things. It may not even be a good time for you to make your move. Maybe you do have to stay where you are. For some of our clients, they're finding actually making that size up or down is actually more affordable today than it was when the market was racing. So all of these ideas we just wanted to put out. And if you ever have any questions at all and would like to just even chat about what's going on in your world, we welcome your calls, your emails. Send us a smoke signal. I'm Aura with the Mulholland Ross Group, and we look forward to seeing you in the neighborhood and right across the GTA.